I used to write. I still write about love that is not it does to people. I used to write about true love, genuine love, one that makes you all warm and fuzzy when it's rainy and cold, one that gives you a I got you nod when things get hard, one that makes you feel like you're immortal. I still write about true love and how soothing it is, how special and rare it is, and how it makes one want to stand up high in a mountain and scream, yeah, Jola. How it makes one be willing to risk it all just so they can see their other half happy. I had hope that I'd get to experience it too with you, that I'd be happy and glow too because of you. I already experienced the sinking of the heart when you call. Suddenly doing breathing exercises because I had lost my ability to breathe properly. Every time I see you, it's like I'm seeing you for the first time. I thought as time went on it would all fade too, but it didn't. Instead, it got worse. So severe that I wanted to utter the magic words, but she reminded me that I can't. She reminded me that I am not yours and you not mine. She is. The glow on her face is one I've always craved. The way you look at her is how I always dreamed you'd look at me. In fact, so she holds your hand like she knows that I want to take you away from her. So can you please allow me? Please allow me to have you, even if it's just for a night. At least then I would have felt how it feels to lay in your arms, hear your heart beating, and how your chest vibrates when you talk. So can I have you, even if it's just for a night? I promise not to be stingy and want you all to myself. I promise to return you safe, unharmed, or damaged. But can I please just have you?